Anyone can you start?
Who wants to start?
You start. It's okay.
Respected sir and respected my opponent. So good morning to all my dear friend.
Good morning.
So my name is Devendra. Today I am going to tell about. Today we are going on the debate of reservation of India. Like in Indian Constitution, the reservation gives to backward classes for uplifting their condition. But the reality is harsh truth. Reservation is destroy the self-respect of the people. Like it's my point.
Yeah, really, reservation. Actually, number of person every time comments on the reservation. It's a very bad for the society. I will ask a questions for every person who is against of the reservation. I am a father. I have two children. Both are my children. I love both persons. But he is suffering from fever. He is suffering from any diseases, and I purchase or buy only half kg milk. Doctors say you provide the very healthy food your children. The right is that both children give the equal quantity of milk. But if a person, a boy, my child suffering from disease, it's my priority. I give the extra good food for my one children because he is suffering. Just like society, number of person in the society, but they are the very lower position. We give the extra things for improve himself or herself. This is called the reservation. Is it good or not? For the provide the good food for the my child, he recovered. After that, we give the equal things. This is the quality of reservation. Yes.
Reservation is a good for our Indian constitutions and also mentioned in our constitutions. In Article 15 to Article 32, they are mentioned reservations. But reservations are time periods. If a persons get a reservations, that times they improve their quality and also improve by day because of reservations. But sometimes when he economic growth good and they physically and mentally they overcome from their these cases, the reservation will be stopped.
Okay, he explained the Article 15, but he can't explain the Article 15A. I will explain what is the real thing of the Article 15A. He say reservation have a equal time on 10 or 20 or maybe 15 or 15 years. Sorry. I want to say it is this tool, reservation tool, working very slow. I will ask again a questions in the society of you also. If you catch 10 to 20 sweeper, never if you ask his name, he say Ramlal, Shamlal, Motilal, etc. Never once say myself Deepak Singh Oberoi, I am sweeper. Not once say myself Deepak Singh Chauhan, I am sweeper. Not once say myself Deepak Singh Rajput, I am sweeper. Because maybe upper caste person is 25% in India, but in good position they hold. In current time, they can't reach the real position. So it is a continue. It's a process. If we realize that they also are equal, then we dissolve this resolution. So it's these tools working in our society, but very slow. So it's a continue. It's a fact.
You are saying like reservation is very a slow process.
This tool working in the society, but in very slow manner. So it is a need to process maybe long time.
Okay. After independence, the reservation has continued for a 70 years.
Okay.
And it is on continuing. And like the amendment had changed in 1990s, like when the Mandal community came, like he demanded the OBC reservation. but we are agree with your point. Like we can't eliminate the reservation, but we are in the favor like reservation should be abolished on the base of caste system. We should be applying in the economical weaker, those who are needed, those who are truly needed to the reservation. We should provide them, not only on the caste base. Yes, you are belonging.
I will also explain. He said EWS. If we give the reservation by the EWS, I will again ask two questions also for you. First of all, I will explain what is the Mandal committee. I will completely explain, but I will ask one question. Easily, you can make your EWS certificate. Easily, you can make. But no one make the easily SCBC certificate because you know very well. Maybe you take the job by this certificate, but you can't take respect in the society. So this the caste system is the very worst system in the India, and he explained the year. Here I will explain thousands of year number of SCBC person feel the very bad in the society. You know, if you know very well, in before 100 years, even they can't take the water in the same well in the society. Even they have some pot in the on the neck. He can't spit it on the floor because if you spit, then it's a totally destroy our culture, our ethics. They feel too much problem, and hundred of year, not hundred, thousands of year, Brahman have a single right to education. Kshatriya have a single right to this job, and another just like Vaishya have single right to doing the business. They have only service. SCBC give only service. But at the same time, if there is some improvement by the reservation, some person feel bad. No, really. In current time, thousands of the seats are blank. These seats are for only for SCBC person, but they are not able to get these positions. So it's the need to society completely give the reservation. Yes.
Actually, sir, tell about that reservation is why necessary because of their ability by the society.
Yes.
These things are happened that times. The ancient times they use these things, but now the time will change, and the peoples are not think that this untouchability these things, and also they establish the equality with the every persons. They never ask the caste what is your caste. So this is not the things that times, and that times reservation is necessary. That and he implement the Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar that time implemented, but now the times will change. So these things also change in our society.
Sir, you say the time is changed. Yes. Why not Oberoi join the housekeeping? Why not Rajput join the housekeeping? Why not join the this type of upper class person? This they want to earn the money. They want to join government sector, but they can't join for this post because they know very well his caste not allow. These types of, sir, really only 25% upper class in India, 75% OBC, 16.83% ST, SC, and 8.66% ST, and 52% OBC. Total, if we plus, then 75%. Only 25% person are the general caste person, but they are in all India in good position. They hold it. Just like our president in India. The name is the president of India. President Murmu. Number of person ask the questions on him. Why? Because they can't bear. Number of person ask the questions on his ability because they can't bear. See, can't deserve this position, and they also say it is the propaganda of the Modi for take the vote of the lower caste person. No, she has to deserve it. So this is the need to give the reservation, because I also give the example. Your father, you have laptop, you have facility, you go for the very good college, school, you have everything. You easily manage everything. But a child, he belongs to a ST and SC person. He can't see the laptop in whole life. In the whole life, and he faced the example. How can you face them? So we give the opportunity. If you get 40% mark, because you get 40% mark less than resources, you
Sir,
get
they
80
think
or
about
90%
the
more.
reservation of the caste basis.
Actually, I want to say that caste basis is so you get 90% marks with all resources, because your father is a manager, engineer, and other things, and you have everything. But a person, he don't know what is the meaning of laptop. He don't know what is the meaning of GPT. He don't know what is the meaning of another technology. You prepare your examination by these tools. He prepared the examination. His dedication, his willpower, his minimum resources. So maybe he get 40 or 45%. He is good, and he is. If we can't get the chance, then he can't compare with you. Just like a person, another I give an example. Just like a person have a 6 feet height. A person is very small. A person is a handicap. You also watch this video. Yes, you can.
Thank you, sir. First of all, we are respected your emotion, like what happened, whatever happened in the historic, like you are saying, you told like many of Brahmins, they exploit the lower caste. We all are agree with you, but now this time, but now the time is changed, and the reservation is not we are not give the reservation on the basis of like what happened on the historic issue. So like I will give you an example, like a person who grab a government job, and it live very decent life, and he person belong to lower caste, and now he have enough money. He will able to send their kids to a good school and good lavish life, and the another side, the a person who belong to a general category, who are not able to grab a government job, and a person sweeps at the home, and his child, and it, do you think he will be able to send their child to a good school? Like that's why the general category and the lower category मतलब हमेशा तो झगड़ा रहता है.
They have always a conflict.
They will always conflict between the upper caste and the lower caste, because in the upper caste there are so many people who don't have enough money to send their child in a good college and school.
First of all, they never compare any school and private sector. They not compare the section by OBC and general OBC. After that, I can talk about the India without leave in without reservation, without leave. After that, we can not compare the any country. Suppose that we cannot survive without reservation in India, but we cannot compare the any countries. Suppose that USA, They have no any reservation. Reason of first of all, 30 population 33 crores. But India's population is very high, 141 crores. They cannot survive in without reservations.
And I reply him proper way. He said EWS, just like he explained a person, a SC person got a job, government job. After that he have money and he also give the good education his children only. We have in India have no measurement to catch the person he is wealthy or not, because in current time government say if you earn less than 8 lakh rupees it means you are a EWS person in India. You can't believe that a person have a Scorpio, if a person have a good car, own a big house, and he give the record in the government, I can't earn 8 lakh rupees, I am EWS big person.
So we should have a
So
proper system. No?
actually I want to explain. The second thing is that, and one cause also, if you are on 6.7 or 7 lakh rupee every year, and your salary maybe upgrade, and you are above 8 lakh rupee, it means you never government and never can judge your income in proper manner. So government decide one thing is that if SCBC or OBC we give the reservation, if we are not think that they are similar in our society, then we continue. Just like in the current time we gave the reservation for the women in the parliament. But number of persons ask the question, what is the need? Because it is the man-dominated society. They can't bear 40%, 41% or 60% women sit with her. Because if they actively participate in the politics, then we as a man will be a man. I feel something bad because my wife and lady ask the questions every time. So we don't know, we don't like it. There are number of politicians against on him. But then they realize that if we against the number of my female votes completely against me, then he U-turn and they yes okay I also agree with this rules, and maybe 299 out of 299 agree on this case, this rule. It means reservation women condition is very bad in current time, in present time also in society. Really, so it's a need before the free our country in 70 years. It's a need to give the reservation. You say that finish the reservation. It's a need in present time too much for the reservation.
I agree that, sir.
Saying like we are here to like eliminate the whole reservation. We are
already favoring now
The caste-based
PWS. The or a woman reservation is necessary for every situation, because these things never change. But the caste, on the basis of caste, those is needed only reservation that things. If the caste is upgraded, that times their economical things are upgraded. So the government also stop the reservation these caste groups.
Sir, reservation only one thing reservation can finish. You know what is the way we can finish the reservation? Only one thing, inter-caste marriage. Really, it's a fact. But in recent time, my father, your father also say, Bhaiya, you can't marry with lower caste lady or girls. If you are 10th pass, I am 8 fail, not 5 pass. But a lower caste girls see complete graduation, maybe see MA, but we can't marry with him because only of caste. we can't give the good respect for the society. It means we need the reservation.
I agree that my friend is a general caste, belong to general caste, and his wife from the SC caste, and they married the intercaste. Yes. So their family, boy family also adapted these marriage, and also their rule
How
and
many
regulation.
percentage?
Yes, sir.
How many percentage intercaste marriage? Maybe
Now the time-
0.1%.
Now the times it's increased because now the time is also changed.
So I also describe the story when I was in 10th class.
Government is also funding if you do intercaste.
Yes, government is funding.
Is
Why?
almost to 2.5 lakh.
Why? Because they also improve the condition of the these types of ladies, all caste person, all lower caste person. Just like you also know very well. In current time, incidents happened in UP. A lower caste lady make the midday meal, and number of Brahman, Kshatriya children go for the school. They refuse. I can't take the meal, and I can't hear that she is prepared the food for these children. Then the IS officer, Mr. Chauhan, sit and take the meal. I will eat. You can't. You also eat because I belong to a Rajput. He gave the example. He stand because in recent time our mentality. She is belong to ST. She is belong to SC, and another caste. I can't take the food. It means this time need the reservation. If you are a very
I
broad
think
type person.
that things will change in our mindsets because the mindset the childs learn from their parents. If the parents they wrong decisions to take that things, so its impact also
So we describe
our
the
society.
so we describe the inter-caste marriage. If I am Brahman, my wife is belong to another caste, and we are both give the respect. But in current times, we can't give the respect for the lower caste person. Just like I also give the example, 2 or 3 person in very good position in the PF office. They are the maybe assistant commissioner, but the number of Jat, number of users, number of Maliks, they can't give the respect because he belong to SCBC, not deserve this seat. He reached this seat only for the reservation. He feel totally we emulate his personality in the society. Maybe he doing the job only for surviving, not he feeling well. We don't adopt this type of person. We always see and watch just like okay he is sit here because he is a SCBC person. He take the reservation. Why not we give the respect his willpower, his honesty, his hard work.
Yes, sir.
He might also give an example. Sorry, I can't. A person, a lady, she is my classmate, and really number of person like her. She is very beautiful. We don't know she belong to SCBC. When we fill the form in 10th class, every person know she belong to SCBC. Ultimately, every person change his mind. No, she is in current time. She is a income tax officer.
How to compare two persons? One belong to a SC caste and other is belong to general caste. And the general caste person have a good marks in their exams. Also, the SC caste persons have some little marks in their examination. So, but our government or reservation due to reservations, they uplift the SC caste child to upper positions rather than the general caste. So, what do you want to say?
Based on mark,
Yeah.
you described that, you said that if a person, a general person got 90% marks and a SCBC person got 40% mark, he got a job and he is not select on the same position. It's your point is that.
Yeah, it's a child is upgrade that positions, but not a general position.
Sir, I explained when we
And one thing also, there are AWS, those persons are equal, a general or a SHI. So what about
you say general and SCBC both are the economically is
Same
similar,
position.
and we gave the chance to SCBC person, and he is actually not get the chance in the same position. Yes, the reason is that in when the constitution, when the rule and regulation made by the government, they explain, they say that he belong to SCBs. Maybe his condition is good, he economically is very good, but in the society not give the respect, not give the proper it means a platform. Just like I explained, just like if he selection, just like a commissioner, just like another good position, maybe he doing the job, but every person say that he doing job only his SCBC marks, not for qualification.
No,
Actually, really,
you say that the respect of IS officer now the time.
Not
They if he go to a market, they all respect as a IS officer. Not they think that they IS or sorry they is a chama and something this caste. So they respect they because of their positions, not they rather than if the journal also stand, they also same respect to the because they the position is the IS officers that time.
Sir, you say if a IS officer stand on in front of me, we give the salute. If he turn, I say, not he is a qualified person. He stand there only for the reservation.
Sir, the respect we can't meet by the society.
That
The
is-
respect we meet by ourselves. And as you give the example, like the example of your example of your school. But this is your time. On that time, even your parents are also denied. Like you can't sit with that type of caste. And now this time, in this time, in my school there is so many teachers who are SC and SGs, but we can't say like we don't want to learn from you because the time is changed.
Sir, you say the time will change. Your teacher belong to a SC or BC card, you take the education. But if the start the join the society, then never Brahman invite a SCBC person in his occasion because they know very well. They gave the chance in the professional way, but we don't give the right position in the society. They can't call him. They can't. Same thing with me also. If we celebrate very good things, we can't. Maybe very good. My friend, a friend related, he is a SCBC person. But if we doing any good things, we give the invitation only similar caste person. Sir, you also know, you also admitted it. Your father also said, do not belong to our caste. Please, only our caste person sit here. It's the society demand, it's the society fundamental rights. If, sir, really you say or not, you admit it or not, but it's a fact. Sir also can explain in a very good manner. It's a fact.
But sir, it is a fully illogical point. Like if you are giving the reservation to all castes, that's not the possible, na? That's
We
not-
gave the 75% reservation for the for this caste. 75%
Indian
reservation.
Constitution gave 15% to SC, 7.5% to ST, and now it's increasing to 75%. Where are you? मतलब सर कहाँ तक पहुँचोगे सर? To 125%.
Sir, I am not say 125%. 25% person,
हाँ.
25% person hold everything. Hold everything.
How can you say?
Just like.
Do you have any data?
Yes, I have thousands of data in every field.
Like I have a data like 60% of the of India's population is below the poverty line.
Sir,
And
first of all,
you-
I want to explain how many you can say quantity of SC, BC, ST and general. First you understand all data. If you understand all data, after that you can understand the reservation. If we can't understand these data, you can't understand the value of reservation. Why? First, when we start the debate, you say the Mandal community, and one thing is also Muna back 1932. When the before the freedom, Mr. The name Bhimrao Ambedkar, he prepared a project, and in front of Mr. Gandhi, he said this is the data for the SC and BC caste person. If we implementation this data, maybe our country is very good and very running in a very good manner, because we get the chance. Mr. Gandhi, he start the a movement. I can't take food, I can't live, I can't drink milk after my death, drink milk, water, and other things. If you follow this project, maybe he dissolved this project because number of person pressure on him. We called the Muna back in 1932. Yes. It means they also know the power of these tools. If we it's working in proper manner, really, maybe the need to finish this reservation. But number of bad things, number of politicians, his you can say personal things. It will be continue. Then we live our
I want to correct you, like whatever you say like Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar wants to separate community for the Dalit, but the Mahatma Gandhi said to Bhimrao Ambedkar to include include the community in the Hindu religion, and we will give reservation. That's the whole talk with each other. And one thing also, Dr. Bhimrao said, like this reservation will stop after a 10 year. But now time reservation will become the politician for the vote banking.
Sir, I also
For to grab a vote, like
sir,
recently in Maratha in Maharashtra there is a movement like Maratha also want a reservation, like
excuse me, I also
how this
also explain when we start the debate why are not sweeper in any person in Malik, Oberoi and Chauhan and Chaudhary, etc.
But
Because too much unbalance for in the society.
that's not the point, like
This is the point.
Huh?
If a person, if a Brahman, if a Kshatriya, if another this type of upper caste person join this type of service, you can't say the lower caste.
Suppose a Brahmin people not wants to so his
Sir,
caste.
Brahman also maybe illiterate or more less educated. He also want to join the government job, but he can't join because this not match my caste. Only for this. Only for caste.
Suppose he is doing the sweeper job.
He can't do it.
He is doing. How can you say that?
Sir, yes,
How can you say that, like the
Sir,
whatever the history is
Not I
happened?
say the history. I'm saying in present time. You ask 20%, single person not say I am Brahman and I am working in Nagar Nigam as a sweeper. No.
Okay,
single person.
suppose a Kshatriya guy don't do the work of Mistri who build the
Construction.
No, they are working.
oh.
Only few areas, but they
But
feel unbalanced.
whatever I know,
they
like
working,
Kshatriya work is to fight in the battle.
They feel also insult. They can't explain. I am working as a mystery.
But
as
sir,
a-
sir,
no.
sir, sir, whatever you do, whatever you are saying, like you never seen the person who said like I am a Brahman and I am doing the
I also
super
ask
job.
a question. Why not make the Valmiki regiment? Why make the Rajputa regiment? Why make the Yadav regiment? Why make the another regiment? What is the need? Why not you make the Valmiki regiment?
May I ask you one question?
Yes, you can.
Don't you really think reservation criteria should be changed? It must be based upon the financial condition rather
We are
than
saying
caste.
na,
We are saying-
we all are in the favor like we should abolish the caste system and we should be implement the implement on the
Sir,
basis of the
sir.
economic.
Sir, I also say easily you can make your EWS certificate. You can say that you feel proud. I am not on the too much money. But if you can't easily make, I am a Brahman, I can't like and I can't make a Jati certificate, caste certificate and I say I am the maybe SCM BC caste. Why? Because we feel embarrassed. We can't give the same respect. I'm saying if I am on less than 8 lakh rupee, then no one asks me questions. If I am Brahman and I prepare in a wrong way a certificate and tomorrow everyone asks me questions.
I think-
Why? What is
I
the
think
effect?
It doesn't matter. It
It's a
matters
matter.
how much powerful you are, how much money you have. It matters.
So
not-
maybe you say money matter everywhere, money matter everywhere. But really, you never one person say I take the job by the wrong caste certificate. Single person, not like. Because if I say I am Chamar, I am STBC person, I gave the good job in recent time also, but I can't like. You also don't like. Because your society completely not give the position, not give the place in the society.
Sir, because of like they are come only through by reservation. They are not come home by their by.
Sir, first of all, I want like we should have to we should not use the word of like whatever you're saying. Like
No, we
the
should-
video
we
is
should-
recording.
we should use
Yes, I am not
kind
saying
of
this, but I am really control this type of language.
Because
We should use these kind of words because if we ourselves feel ashamed of these words, then we will feel embarrassed by that. We are not using these words as abuse. It means a lot if we use these kind of words as abuse. But if we are saying just your name, then it is not an embarrassing word. If I tell that he is Prakash, then it is not embarrassing. But if I laugh at his name, then it is embarrassing.
But
Sir,
if we are
sir,
talking about
when you join any government sector, first you submit your caste certificate. Caste certificate. After that you can join because it's the eligibility. 5 or 10 or 12 certificate mandatory to submit in the government. Then you can join. If you-
Everyone has to submit, even you are going to take admission in the
Yes,
college,
in
you have to submit your
In
caste
school also,
certificates.
you have to
If
give
we
the
are-
Yes,
caste.
caste certificates.
if
So
we are
why
taking
is the teachers can't say you are the ST, you are the ST students, we can't teach you. There is also equality.
Yes, teacher gave the equality. Teacher gave the equality. But when you join the, well, I say, a government job, you also submit your
Sir,
certificate.
it is not up to the government job. There is also like public jobs and private jobs. Not everyone join the government job only. So many people have their have aim to like grab the private job seat. This is not up to like the government job. You are only talk about like government job.
But it is
I am not say
but it is a
government job. I
different
say the
content. We
society.
are providing certificate for identification.
Sir,
yes.
Not we are grabbing job based upon the card system. You know.
Sir, if you are a capable person, if you are a very intelligent, you believe in your skills, you say I am in general caste and I applied this type of job. Single of person not say this types of things in the society.
Why?
Always they are greedy to adopt and accept anything extra from the government.
But sir, this thing also creates like the mindset of SC/STs like and if I do anything, even I have 60% marks, so I will definitely take the seats in reservation quota. But if there is a child who get 99%, so what about that type of children?
So I say
Only because of quota, this type of children get not successful in their life.
So I also explain if a general caste person get 99% or maybe above 99%, maybe 100% or get, he confirm join in any institutions. Any institution, if he got, because in 25% you are selected, but the totally game is that you got 70 or 80%, he got 40%. The fight with those persons, not 100 or 99% persons.
Not sir, it's all up to the quota. Like if there is no quota, this type of quota is not there. So definitely the children who get this type, who score so much marks, they will definitely get that seat. But only because of quota, he can't achieve their goal. We can't say that the reservation is not. We just have to abolish the reservation. We are agree that we want reservation, but only in some cases, not like everywhere there is reservation.
Government not give the everywhere. In maximum place, government give the quota. Just I give the one example. In a CA exam, no quota. Only 3% result in a CA exam. Chartered accountant. No any reservation in the CA examinations because your ability. You have ability, then you can crack the exam. Number of government job also, they say if you belong to any caste, if you belong to any thing, you can play the role and maybe you have
But
power,
sir-
then you can do it.
But sir, is it fair, like giving the opportunity who does not need, who does not
when
need, and
we
who
start,
belongs
sir,
to?
sir, when we start my topic, I say to my boys, to my children, one person is weak, second is strong.
But now, sir, the both children
Both are
are healthy.
If my both children are healthy, no one say me you give the extra things. If both are, if
You
don't-
just struck the point. You struck the same point, like whatever happened in the street. You have the same mindset, like the Brahmin, whatever you are saying.
And nowadays, no one can ask like you are the Kshatriyas and you are the. They just only wants to work. If we are all here, we can't say like I'm Thakur and I'm doing this type of things. You created your mindset that these people can't do this type of things.
Sir, who I am to create this type of thing? Who am I? Who am I?
Sir, you are the
Everything-
society like this type of people.
Everything in the constitutions made by the very intelligent person gave the view of the very good observer.
Sir,
They-
there is written like Kshatriya is doing job in the battle. He will fight.
Sir,
He never do
sir,
the
sir,
job
sir,
of like
sir,
shopkeeper.
sir, excuse
Yeah,
me.
I will show
Actually,
you.
I want to say in a past, Kshatriya have right to involve in the
Battle.
war in battle because they can't give the chance just like Eklavya. He is a very good archer, but no gave the
But
chance.
sir, do you think like
Actually,
this is the time of
listen to
the
me.
Eklavya?
Sir, listen to me. I gave the example by the example. He is a very good archer. Maybe he is the best compared to Arjun. Maybe he is the best compared to another. You can say Karan also, but only for caste. Mr. Dronacharya and other gurus not gave. You have not right to participate in the championship of who is the best person in the who is the best archers.
So.
Sir.
That time there was no law. I mean, nowadays we have a law.
We have democracy.
Our influencers are good, intelligent person realize that maybe they are the very bad condition. We give the opportunity, we give the some extra facility when they
some
get
person
consent for us.
this facility, because I have seen in college when government provides any scholarship to SC, ST, they use this money to go out and hang out and wine.
Some
Some
upper
is
class
not.
person also take advantage. Maybe he is a very coward person, but he say, I am the son of a king, so I am son. Maybe he is a very coward. Maybe he can't fight. It's the fact. They also say, because my father is a king, I am also king. Because I belong to a king family, and I also